Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Snowflake Certification Training Course. Lecture 4. In this lecture we will learn about Snowflake Security and Access Control. Introduction. Snowflake Security Model. User Management. Role-Based Access Control. Implementing Data Encryption. Conclusion. Introduction. Welcome to our lecture on Snowflake Security Best Practices. Today, we will be discussing the importance of Snowflake security and how you can implement best practices to keep your data safe. As more companies move their data to the cloud, it's crucial to ensure that your data is secure. In this presentation, we will cover the Snowflake security model, user management, role-based access control, and implementing data encryption. Snowflake Security Model. The Snowflake Security Model is a comprehensive approach to protecting data in the cloud. It includes multiple layers of security controls, such as network security, authentication and authorization, and data encryption. One of the key benefits of the Snowflake Security Model is that it allows organizations to have complete control over their data. With role-based access control and other security features, organizations can ensure that only authorized users have access to sensitive data. Additionally, Snowflake's security model is designed to be highly scalable, so it can easily adapt to changing business needs and growing data volumes. User management. User management is a critical component of Snowflake security. It involves creating and managing user accounts, setting up roles and permissions, and monitoring user activity. By properly managing user accounts, you can ensure that only authorized users have access to your data. Best practices for user management include regularly reviewing and updating user accounts, implementing multi-factor authentication, and limiting user access to only what they need to do their job. It's also important to educate users on security best practices and monitor their activity to detect any suspicious behavior. Role-based access control. Query optimization is a critical aspect of Snowflake's Skull that can significantly improve performance and reduce costs. By using techniques such as indexing, partitioning, and query profiling, you can ensure that your queries run efficiently and effectively. Indexing involves creating indexes on specific columns to speed up query processing. Partitioning involves dividing large tables into smaller, more manageable pieces for faster querying. Query profiling involves analyzing query performance to identify areas for improvement. Implementing data encryption. Data encryption is a critical aspect of Snowflake security. By encrypting data at rest and in transit, you can ensure that sensitive information is protected from unauthorized access. To implement data encryption in Snowflake, it is important to follow best practices, such as using strong encryption algorithms, rotating encryption keys regularly, and implementing strict security policies. Additionally, it is crucial to monitor your data environment for any potential vulnerabilities or threats. Conclusion. In conclusion, we have learned about the importance of Snowflake security and best practices for maintaining a secure environment. We discussed the Snowflake security model and its benefits, as well as user management and role-based access control. We also explored the implementation of data encryption and security policies. It is crucial to prioritize Snowflake security in order to protect sensitive data and maintain trust with customers. By following these best practices and staying up to date on the latest security measures, data encryption and security policies. It is crucial to prioritize Snowflake security in order to protect sensitive data and maintain trust with customers. By following these best practices and staying up to date on the latest security measures.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.